in this video I will show you how I came up with the UI design of an e-voting mobile application. This is basically a mobile application intended to collect that data from the different voting centers by polling officers or election officers. I've been inspired by what's ongoing in my country, Uganda, whereby we are expecting early next year we shall be having voting, whereby people will be electing the president and the respective leaders within their localities and areas. Basing on that, I came up with a UI design of this mobile app, which a collection or tallying officers can use to collect data, and then also they can use this to count votes as well. We've had challenges whereby you find that it's difficult to count votes, and sometimes it is difficult to track votes within which area of within any area specifically for a certain candidate, and also sometimes the vote rigging and all that issues that comes in with the current system, whereby people have to count and they do not have somewhere records kept up to date and all that. So this application, I will navigate you through how everything works. To start with as a polling agent or an election officer, you need to first sign in or create an account, and it is on this first screen that you either log in or create an account. I've got the register screen as well. You can register to this as a polling officer. After registration, you need to enter data into the application. That is, for example, after counting votes, you can register this, and this is it. You can either choose to enter data manually or upload a form where all the information has been written and data is captured using OCR, that's optical character recognition. Proceed with when you choose the manual way, you've got this screen whereby you can enter details about a candidate, and you can then submit. Proceeding, if you chose to capture a form, let's say to take a photo of a form, you could do this, and you can either upload an image or take a photo, and data will be extracted. This will be the extracted data from the image you've posted, and this will be submitted to the databases, whereby after all that you'll have statistics of the number of votes each candidate has got in for example a national district, and you can do this by a constituency. So you can take up this, you see the total number of votes, total valid votes and invalid votes. Then you can either log in, you can edit your profile and all that. I made a prototype of this, and when I do this, what I'm going to do is I will run this. Okay, let me do this. So I will run this. So my application is loading. So this in can I okay, so this is what happens when I do come. You can either log in or sign up. When you sign up, you'll have whereby you can register, and after registering you'll be prompted to sign in, and the moment you sign in you'll be taken to choose a method to proceed. For example, you want to enter data manually. You will come here and you will choose either a district, number of votes, and a candidate's name. You can mean to change the input method. For example, you just want to upload a form to extract data. You will just do this, and you can use your camera to capture a photo, or you can just upload an image, and then you can extract data, and then you can submit this. So you will be taken to this, and you can clearly see the statistics every time you make an update. Looking at that, I'll head back to this. For example, manually, when you submit, still be taken to the same screen. And then right here, you've got a profile whereby you can edit your profile, and you can log out, or you can edit your profile. So this is it, and it's a good idea basing on the current political situation we are looking at in Uganda. In time we are having to vote, and this can save time and also the chaos that comes along with that. Thank you.